virgin when you met your husband? How do people even type this kind of questions? Eh? I'm just going to take it that you're joking because there's a smiley face at the end of this question. So let me just take it that you're joking. You just put it so that you know what I'm saying.
Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. All my returning, I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate it. Good Lord bless you guys all. Today I bring NJ and Sandra and our sister UK family. So this is my TV today. Okay, let's dive into the today topic. First of all, let's start with NJ. Okay, yes, let me start with NJ. I love to play her voice notes where Richard my live I come and towards Sandra. Let's dive into the okay.
Question about, friendship. See, you guys, I just feel like, see, why am I blushing while I'm answering this question? Because it's been, you guys can ask questions, yeah. I just feel like, you know how people will say that everything that has a beginning has an end. If it does not end on its own, it will either end when, one, like let's say friendship now, if something does not happen and it ends, it will still eventually end, maybe when one party dies after their long life, on earth or whatever. You get the point, right? So anything that has a beginning has an end, and I believe in this life, everyone is here to serve a purpose for whatever friendship or in life or something like that. So if a friendship has ended, that means maybe the parties involved, they fulfilled their purpose in each other's lives, right? And there's nothing more to give and nothing more to receive. I don't know, do you get? So if a friendship has ended, it doesn't necessarily have to be that there was one big fight, one mighty thing that could not be handled. It's just, I don't know. And you know how they say that sometimes people outgrow other people. I don't know. I don't want you guys to misunderstand it. I'm just trying to. Life happens. That's just it. Life happens, and friendship starts and friendships end. Period. Right? It's not a big deal. It happens all the time. All the time. Anyways, yeah, I'm done.
Hear from our sister, our beautiful sister NJ. Yes, everything that starts, it must have the end. One person, somebody even still ask her, say whether she married with virgin, whether she be virgin when she married. But some of us, we they ask question whether this our sister NJ not just marry at the age of 20. She not just marry at the age of 25. NJ marry at the age of almost 30 years old. Yes, NJ marry almost 30 years. Now they ask question, if you not answer that part, me go answer am for her. NJ, don't worry. Yes, she married with us virgin. NJ na virgin. She can't marry like that. I hope I don't answer that part. A virgin. Okay, my beautiful people. The main reason of me doing this video now about that virgin, when they ask her, NJ, did you marry at virgin? I not play that part. Maybe if I go find, maybe I feel at the beginning. I just say let me help NJ answer that question. Say yes, she married at virgin. Okay. And secondly, how she explain friendship. That's what it's supposed to be. And the thing why I still like about this friendship when we dey talk so. Sandra and NJ don't declare am for us now say, friendship e dey to start and e dey to end. People die. You meet people every day. Do you understand? When NJ and Sandra, they not be friend. Sandra and Nello, they still be friend. You not forget. Sandra do advert for Nello for her t-shirt. If na some people, they go say, as far as I not be friend to that person, don't be friend to that person. If na this one and I say father the same mother, but Nello knows Sandra through NJ. NJ and Sandra, they're not there again. Nello and Sandra, they still be party. They comment for each other clothes. Maybe they not come for me. For me, I like it. You understand? But now Nello to use the brain. I don't say Nello no fit sell her sister. Sandra and NJ, they end their friendship. Maybe they don't like the way things they go. But they don't come on social media, to saka themselves just because of you. If na some people where they not mature, they will come on social media, they go saka, they will earn their revenue, they go enter house. But we dey forget easily say, you go earn your revenue, the money could go finish you. But the word where you bring come out from your mouth, this word of mouth, it be like egg. Once you leave, once you leave egg scatter. That is the end. That's what this word of mouth be. Both of them not come out. They act mature. Whether they throw mouth, whether they use indirect, Whether they don't use it, that one not concern us. But they act mature. I hope many of us will learn. Many of us will learn through those people say, money not be everything. Respect yourself. Your dignity matter a lot. Because if they ask Sandra, wetin NJ do her, she go see a lot to judge. If they ask NJ, wetin Sandra, she go see a lot to judge. But undermine many reaction video, we try to, bring their word out of their mouth. Then they not talk. They're quiet. My main purpose of doing this video, we should learn for the good side. May we not learn for the bad side. Okay? If NJ, when Nello know Sandra true, and NJ and Nello and Sandra they still be friend, when NJ and Sandra not be friend, wait till now, may una leave that comment, wait till now think about there. And secondly, our beautiful sister NJ, she say friendship they end. Not true, my beautiful sister. Friendship they end. Everything starts, you must get the end. Everything starts little, you must big. Everything starts, you must end. My own is NJ, if there is something no way not too big, something maybe your sister, I know if you say Nello, no if they tell you now say you don't do, as far as Nello still be friend to Sandra, maybe Sandra not really get big thing, not just I beg may you dey your side and may me dey my side, then little now they call each other like that now they ask of each other. I believe then una see small thing when just happen, I believe it not be just big thing. Maybe that's why your sister Nello still be friend to Sandra. Okay, but if you say it's done, we meet people every day, we jam people, in fact we meet people every day. We choose to who we will make friend with, we choose who not to make friend with. Now for you, but me, I respect both of you. Sandra, NJ, I respect both of you. Keep going, keep doing your thing. As far no saga, you not come out and judge. If you would throw words, that one not concern us. As far you not come out to judge. For me, in fact I respect both of you. Okay, my beautiful people, just let me bring this update about NJ don't finally talk about friendship. Yes, there is time to be friend, there is time to everybody to go their separate way. Now so it be. Now when the other side want to try to judge, now it not good. I hope we learn from this one. I hope we still learn say e no mean say I be friend to this, you be enemy to that, I supposed to be enemy. E no mean like that. If Nello go fit still dey go Sandra when Nello know Sandra through NJ her sister, they still dey comment for each other video. Sandra still do advert for Nello for her platform. Who be me and you when we just meet for street, when we just say hi sis. My people, now that one be that one. Oh, I will say me I still bring our sister, our beautiful sister. Me I congratulate her. E no easy to, in fact, to do foundation for one room. Ask me again. One room foundation. Is I see am say e dey life now. E dey do giveaway. Our sister UK family, congratulations, beautiful sis. Keep winning, keep shining. They call beg, I can't dey do foundation. This one shook oh. I beg, I tire. Where we don't go yesterday, e break. Now go see my throat. Over a week, they worry me. And the thing one cause me cough. Person when they come outside. If you come outside there, now waiting they see with this so waka. All the name of children don't go holiday. Now, my people know that one I carry come. I just now the NJ video I watched yesterday. As yesterday big reach. Only NJ video. I even the side boss when I watch NJ video. My people, let me play UK family.
This laying of blocks, want to put fence. And guys, when everything is going on, you will be seeing them. The blocks, the chippings. As you can see, we started doing one or two in the farm. One or two, with our little savings, guys. And you can see the riches in the building, and we're just trying to make ourselves up to standard. But we know that with you people, with your help, that is why we are trying to strive. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up, like our video, and click on our bell for notification of more videos. All our voices in the building as well. You've been saying you can get a small place where you can at least make your farm big, make your farm. I was thinking out of the box to see what we can do, guys. So we're just trying to start up something. We beg God to give us more finance. As a subscriber, come and drink. This is tiger nut.
Yeah, we're begging God to give us more finance, the strength for us to actualize our dream. Guys, thank you.
Thank you. We love you guys. Bye.
I hope when I hear from her, our beautiful sister. She celebrates her new achievement. She get a land and now like she want fencer and she will still lay foundation. I'm happy with her. Congratulations, sis. Keep winning, keep shining. And this one we're supposed to wish ourselves when we see ourselves, we achieve something. At least we'll celebrate with you. Video, I hope it will encourage more people who lose hope, who think say our life don't end. Beautiful sister UK, I just say let me use this video to congratulate you as I see the achievement yesterday. I was so happy for you. Happy for you and your household, your husband that they reach. In fact, the love one they show and they show in fact they chuckle. Online love we play that una dey try so that the rich even put tiger nut say our subscriber abeg more na dey give us like na say no be only me one like that the rich when be soldier he like in fact like he say give us thumbs up abeg more na dey give us thumbs up. Okay, my main purpose of doing this video I just let me congratulate my beautiful sister, my fellow content creator who I see her achievement yesterday. Keep winning, keep shining, more good news. In fact, I can't wait for that house to your pack enter your activity you're doing. I see you as a hardworking lady. I see you as very hard work. When you see hardworking lady you don't need to shout, you don't need to talk, not because I want to belong. No, when you see hardworking lady you will know them. Now one of the night be this our sister UK family. She did hard work with all her body, her hand, her soul, her leg, in fact everywhere part of her everyday hard working. Congratulations, sis. Congratulations, Daddy Rich. Congratulations to all your, in fact, your household. Okay, I just say let me congratulate her. Very soon we will pack enter Queen by the special grace of God for this hard time. You see, they feel the fence he land and she want lay foundation. I celebrate with you, my beautiful people. Now this one I get to talk. What do you think about Angie and Sandra? You think say the art mature? For me, the art perfect. And our sister UK, congratulate her. Congratulations is her portion. Congratulations is her portion in Jesus' name. Amen. Congratulations to Will. In fact, our hour is coming, is coming on the way. On the way. Hey, you want set foundation? No easy. You double tick. You don't go say, hey, UK don't set foundation. Let me set. No easy. No, not go put hand for waiting. No free. You come they make you the spin. As I be like pass, you come do when you fall like this before. Later you come be like pass. See this like pass. Hey. Let me go straight to Africa Tiger. Okay.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the I no go